but I will kill you. I will kill you.
And yeah, man. Oh, let's not play that again. Let's not play that again. Not trying to get insta copyrighted. But yeah. Perfect, man. Perfect. Let me just change this over here. Good. Good, good, good. How are you doing, brother? I'm good, Pavandron. How are you? How are you? What's good, Adam? I finished that ACG 100k yesterday. Hey, let's go, bro. Let's go. Good shit. Killing it. ACG actually have a sale on right now as well. I'm pretty sure if you used code July 30, you can get 30% off ACG. So if you go and check that out, make sure you go grab an account with that. Don't worry about using my code, because yeah, I want you guys to get the biggest discount you can. So yeah, you actually get 30% off there. But let me drop into this analysis real quick. We actually tapped our daily target yesterday. But yeah, let me do this analysis real quick and then we'll drop into it. But essentially, the weekly time frame has got 13 hours left. If you close below 23.90 here on the weekly, you are going to rip down, properly rip down to, you got room all the way down to 2300, right? Yeah, you got room to, yeah, 2300 is what I'd say, at least as a minimum, right? And yeah, after you grab a top wick, it's pretty much going to be clean traffic all the way down. So if the weekly closes where it is now, you should be good. However, we do have some news today, right? What do we have today? We have CPI, so core PC price index, CPI, and yeah, that should move the market. Obviously, that's at 130, so that's going to be an interesting one for sure. Dailies come up and grab the top wick. You also, I'm pretty sure you did try and reflip just then, but you didn't actually manage to break the lows. Okay, good. Yeah, so you didn't manage to break the lows, which is okay. Whoa, bless me, chat. Yeah, so, however, yesterday's daily, we did actually close, I would say we closed below, obviously, the most recent resistance levels. Yeah, my hair's still wet. One sec. Yeah, so we closed below the most recent resistance levels, right? However, you have sort of tapped into an area where I would say there's a decent level of support, right? You've got this area here at 23.59, which you did tap into and sort of reject off of. But that being said, right, you did close below any other major resistance you've got above at around, I would say, 23.72. So I think you can see some continued downside till at least 23.35 in my opinion. And yeah, same with the 4 hour. The previous 4 hour came up. This 4 hour's grabbed the top wick, and then yeah, you're potentially looking at a flip here. But again, you close respecting these levels. It does get a bit choppy around here, so you have to kind of be careful about where you're sat. But yeah, I think overall, bias for the day is obviously bearish. We're looking to take some sales on a continuation downwards. And yeah, that's about it, to be honest. That is about it. But, geez, chat, yeah, you've pushed a lot this week. You've pushed a lot. Anyway, so, on the 1 hour, what can we look for? So, in terms of buys, I believe anything above, was it this area I was looking at yesterday? 23.77. Let me push that a little bit higher. 23.78, maybe? Yeah, that was it. 23.78, anything above there is clean. Take some buys up to at least 82, right? That's gonna give you like a 40 pip range. You got yeah, you got another rejection area there, and that's gonna be our range 2 buys, I believe, because you've got also a smaller range down here. So if you do close back above there, we'll look to take some buys to continue up to, well, as a minimum, right, 23.84, with our break-even point at 82. Now sells, obviously sells are gonna be a lot more simple. Did you just flip on the? Hey, you just flipped on the 1 hour. Okay, interesting. Obviously, no trade here for me right now, but you did just flip on the 1 hour. So if you can come and close below, yeah, 23.68.3. Yeah, let me see. How big is this? I think you got enough room here. Yeah, definitely. Okay, so if you can come and close below 23.68.3, you've got room to take some sells all the way down, to be honest. You've got clean traffic after that. As long as you don't reject at the area that we just saw as the break-even point, you should have room to push down till, I would say, yeah, somewhere down here at 23.53-ish, which is actually, yeah, where we looked to take advantage of yesterday. But that's pretty much going to be it for today. You got large ranges though, so maybe we have to sort of try and adjust that. Maybe we move this level up here to 2362. Yeah, we could do that actually. Just to play the smaller ranges, right? Because we don't necessarily want to, you know, make those ranges way too big when we can just take advantage of these smaller ones as well. So what we'll do is that will be our analysis for the day. Does that make sense to you guys, chat? So we've got sales below 2368.3. Any closure below there should be good for sales to come down. And then buys are actually going to be back up here above 2378. And all that's going to be is just a break of market structure and a continuation upwards. But until then, obviously, until those closures, we're just going to have to wait and see what happens in the market. But yeah, man, that's my analysis for the day. If it made sense, then good. If not, feel free to ask me any questions you do have. And yeah, other than that, guys, hopefully you're all good. Hopefully you had a good week so far, and let's have a productive Friday. Yeah, man. What's good, Max? What's good, Noodle Holtz? What's good, brother? What's good, Victory Settings? Bedge, what's good? Nice. Nice. Yeah, but how's your week been? Chat, tell me, how's your week been? How's it been going? Lags. Is your Wi-Fi down, bro? Mr. Crypto Maniac. What do you think? How will the market react after the CPI jump? I don't know, to be honest, brother. I don't really sort of predict, or not predict, but look into like how the news is going to push. We understand that news obviously respects price action. But yesterday, I mean, we were bearish on news, and we did actually rip down. It's just, yeah, how that news comes out and how that price action respects. But I'm not sure, to be honest. You'd have to wait and see how CPI comes out. To be on 10 pips up, dubs. Noodles L week had a 100 pip loss on Monday. Ah, bro. Is what it is, man. Is what it is. That's nothing in the grand scheme of things, right? Obviously, we understand that, yeah. We understand that, you know, it's a long-term game, and what 100 pip loss is nothing in the grand scheme. So you'll be good, bro. Don't you worry. Don't you worry about it. Yo, what's up, my man? Got a new challenge account on Monday. One phase, target 10%. Account is now up 0.7%. Hey, let's go, bro. Good stuff. Power is gone, so I'm on 3G. 3G, bro. Is that really what Ireland's doing still? 3G? You don't have like 5G anymore. Crazy. I don't think I've had 3G for years. Insane, bro. Remember when you used to get the little thing and it just said E? And the Wi-Fi just didn't work. Yeah, that was the worst. That was the worst. Did I journal last week's trade? Let me see. Not last week's trade, yesterday's trade. I've forgotten, let me see. I'm pretty sure I did. Yeah. Cool, so we've taken 4 trades this week. Not bad. We had 3 wins, 1 break even. For a total of 53 pips this week. So yeah, not bad. Up 53 pips for the week. Yeah, can't complain. Cannot complain. That's how it's done though, right, chat? 1 trade a day, if that. And then, yeah. If you don't get the right trades, you don't take it. Simple. Not too shabby. We have 4G, but it's only good in big towns and cities. Outside that, it's like 1 bar of 4G, and it's better to just use 3G. Ah, fair play. Bro's living in a rural island. Insane. Yesterday I got a buyout, but managed to close at 10 pips due to 5-minute time frame. It would be 83 pip loss if it hits my stop loss. Then an hour later I got 14 pip win, so B yesterday. Yeah, good stuff, bro. I mean, no, you were up 4 pips, right? So that's a winning day. 4 pips is still 4 pips, my friend. Still a profit. But yeah, chat. So listen, you got 19 minutes left. 19 minutes left until this 1 hour close, chat. So what would you want to see? Obviously, you want to see a closure below. It's starting to reject a little bit here. Wow, it did start to reject quite heavy off this area. Not ideal. You want to see this closure below on this hourly. That'd be real nice. Again, though, chat, it might be a 4-hour play like we saw the other day, right? We saw, well, pretty much every trade we've got this week has been at like 10 a.m. So I'm not too bothered if we have to wait until then. Ow, that's hot. But yeah, chat, if you did enjoy the analysis, by the way, I forgot to ask, but if you did enjoy the analysis and got some value out of the stream so far, make sure you drop a like if you haven't already. Trying to bust case with this this Shadowland, so yeah, man. Good shit there. Appreciate all of you for pulling up. Hopefully you have a great Friday. Yeah, anyone got any plans for the weekend? Anyone got anything big planned? I don't think I'm probably gonna play golf tomorrow, I can't lie. Yeah, I'm probably gonna play golf. Stream in the background for me. Caught my 10 pips on for the day. Hey, let's go, Jay. Good stuff. Good stuff, bro. 10 pips a day keeps the 9 to 5 away. Since I started watching your live stream, my trading changed a lot, but I also hope I build up my discipline so I won't do anything stupid. Anyway, I start my break again. Alright, bro. See you in a bit. Taking my backy off-road for a bit of fun. The backy? The bike? Is it just a fucking motocross bike? Study for last exam classic. Ah, you got this, noodle holes, bro. You got this. You're gonna clutch up, man. 4x4. Ah, okay, bro. Sick. Which one? What have you got? Definitely got some crazy, I don't know, modded 4x4 type shit. Good morning, Cookie. What's good? Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Yeah, I want to buy. I do want to get a 4x4. I can't lie. When I've sort of relocated, they're just so fun to drive, bro. Jeep Wrangler, bro. I feel like that's the South Africa car right there, is it not? Bro, that's what I drove when I was in Santorini, right? But I don't think it was a Rubicon one. I think it was some like crazy modded fucking. It might have been the same thing actually. I don't know what the difference is, but yeah, man. I don't know. But yeah, that's a hard car. I'll give it to you. But yeah, when I was in Greece, like just driving down like mountain roads to beaches and shit with a 4x4, it was like honestly the most freeing feeling in the world. I feel like I could drive like over a mountain. You know what I mean? Like if anyone used to watch Top Gear, I don't know if I think that was a worldwide thing. I don't think it was just UK. But if anyone used to watch Top Gear, bro, I always wanted to do one of those challenges where they just drive like wherever they want, you know, like off road. That'd be so cool. Like through the jungle or some shit. Or like up Everest, I don't know. Not Everest, but you know what I mean. Not trend lines. What's good? How you doing, brother? What's good? What's good? Yeah, chat. I don't know which one I had, but fun as fuck to drive. Take off like the back and it just looks like this. You can take the doors off too. Bro. Yeah, that's the wave. Okay, chat, so you got 15-minute close here right now. Gonna close quite strongly bearish, to be honest, which is good. 30 minutes still has no top wick, really. Might be an issue, but the 15 close is good. It's a good bearish close. Need to sort of see if we have enough volume to push below the level right now. And if we do, good. And if not, then obviously might have to look not to take it just yet. Before people said 4x4 took a lot of gas or diesel to maintain, but I think when you get to the point not to worry about money anymore, then you buy whatever you want. Yeah, I hear that. But I also think that, like, bro, I guarantee if I move to somewhere like South Africa or like somewhere like Indonesia, whatever, Vietnam, I'm not gonna need to worry about paying gas. Like, it's gonna be so cheap compared to the UK. I know that for a fact. SA is Toyota Hilux or Land Cruiser. I always thought that the Toyota was the best, but I bought the off-road package, bro, it's something else. Yeah, man. I hear that. In SA, we have lots of off-road trails, dams. It's like a dream if you live outdoors. Bro, I know. I kind of want to do that, to be honest. I might have to pull up. You have to take me off-roading, bro. Go whip it through the mountains or some shit. I'm still tempted to move to South Africa, you know. It's between Bali and South Africa, I think. Between the two, for sure. But chat. Off-roading a dinger. Bro, me and my boys did that when we were younger. We chipped in together and bought a shitty little dinger and just like started racking it about. Different level. Vietnam bike is enough, bro. Normally for me, 100,000 Vietnam dollar is enough for a week in the city. It's like $5. Yeah, bro. That's crazy. Bro, $5 of petrol in the UK will take me to the gym, maybe. Like, that's about it in the UK. Have a nice day, G. What's good, Veen? Have a nice day, bro. I tell you what, when I get my live ACG and after that first payout, I'll buy you a ticket to SA to come chill with us. No, you're good, bro. You're good. Thank you. I appreciate it, but you don't have to do that, my friend. I'll pull up anyway. Come on, lad. What's good, Yanga? How you doing, man? Chat, there's way more than 34 people in here right now. I'm not being funny, but like the chat's popping. There's like so many new people. What's good, Umesh, by the way? Good morning. I forgot to read your message. Yeah, there's no way there's 34 people, man. There's so many people in chat. It's crazy. What's good, Malenko? Good morning, brother. £5 petrol doesn't have to get you from pump 1 to pump 2. Yeah, just about. Why are you shadow banned there? I don't know if it's a shadow ban or if it's just a view glitch, to be honest. I think it's a very common thing. Apparently it happens 2 to 3 times a year or something. I don't know. Which city would you move to in SA? Where I was looking at, I was talking to Jan about it. It'll be Cape Town, and then most likely Camps Bay or somewhere like that. I think those are like the thick areas from what I've heard. Okay, chat. There's 10 minutes to this 1 hour candle. Ooh. Big yawn, but a good sign. The yawn play is forming. I might have to do this. Wait, now how much room is that? Let's see, this box is way too big. Alright, okay, fine. Fine. Bro, I just clocked my boxes are 5 pips. That's way too big. Cool. Want to stream on all foot down Friday, so I haven't had time to jump on. Missed that 90 pip move this morning because the hourly had no top wick. Yeah, that's the game, my friend. That's the game we play, unfortunately. But good stuff. You didn't miss it. There was no entry. You didn't miss it if there's no entry. Yeah, man. But welcome back, Michael. Hopefully you have a good Friday. I'm sure you're playing golf this weekend too. YouTube don't like us. The stream used to be the first thing to come up when I hopped on YouTube, but now I have to scroll down like 5 videos to find it. Bro, it doesn't even come up anymore when you type in... Forex live stream or something like that. It used to be like one of the top results. Now it doesn't even come up. I don't know why. But there you go. It'll get back. I'm sure it'll fix itself. But yeah, we used to be like one of the top search results for like London Session Live, Forex live trading, etc. I don't know though. I don't know why. CIA maybe. 18 holes at 4:30 today. Doing a comp tomorrow with Rosie. I hit to the green and she has to putt, so that'll be fun. Then golf again Sunday. Crazy, bro. Sounds like a fun comp though, I can't lie. Bro's gonna be Tiger Woods pretty soon. He's gonna be on the PGA Tour. But yeah, chat, as we said, right? It's Friday. All we have to do today is be patient. That's the main goal. You have to wait for your perfect setup. If it doesn't form, then you're done for the week. Right? You don't need to worry about taking any positions that you shouldn't take. If you're in a situation where, you know, let's say for the week you're not satisfied with your progress, or you're in a little bit of profit but you don't think it's enough, or you're down for the week, doesn't mean just because, you know, the week's ending that you should do something stupid, right? The fact that, you know, you have a positive week, positive month, etc. These are just arbitrary time zones, right? It doesn't matter if the week is negative or the month is negative, okay? Like, you know, because the day after the month ends, you could get, you know, a runner or something. And what does that mean, that you're still a shit trader because you had a bad month, just because someone said that it has to be a 30-day period that you track your results on? No. Right? It doesn't matter about, you know, the week, the month, the quarter. That shit actually doesn't matter at all. Just my thoughts. Just my thoughts. Yeah, but I think everyone's streams have been down. Like, I think every Forex streamer that I've seen has had like less views than they used to at the minute. I could be wrong, bro, but I'm pretty sure that like most streamers have seen their views like massively dip. like, for example, bro, I literally just loaded up my my page, and this guy used to get like 700 or 800 when he was on, and now he's got 300. So I don't know, man. I don't know, but we'll see. It doesn't matter anyway, but it's interesting. I'm not sure why it happens, to be honest. I always have to search you to watch you. Yeah, that's weird. That is weird. Everyone's aping into meme coins. Yeah, trust me. Influx of quitters, lol. Maybe. I don't know. No, I think it's definitely something to do with YouTube for sure. Speaking of meme coins, crypto, how's my investment doing? Have you made me a gazillion yet, or what? I'm suing if we don't make if I don't make exactly 1 gazillion. I'm suing. Yeah, Quant's up today. I just saw that. Okay, you're forgiven. You're forgiven. All right. I might have to buy some more. You know, I don't think I got enough. You seem very determined on it, so I might have to buy some more. Chat, see the 4 hours reflipped again, which is interesting. The 1 hour as well has decided to push up and break its own high just now. Did it? Yeah, it did. So looks like you're probably not gonna close. Bearish below the range, unless you decide to make a big push in this last 3 minutes here. But yeah, chat. Oh. The mega yawn again. We try and trick the Telegram again. Should we go for one of these? Let's go for what should we do? Let's do this. Ah, there you are. All right, we're gonna trick the Telegram right now. Whoa, what a good trade we've got there. 8-to-1 risk to reward. Wow. I'm going back to work. Pray you guys end up with the week of W. Cheers. See you next week, Trent. Yeah, in a bit, F now. Appreciate you, bro. Have a good time at work. Wow, we the best. Trust me. How do we do it? Actually, no, that's not enough. Let's make it even better. Let's do this. Whoa. 22-to-1. How did we catch that? Nah, I'm playing. What's good, Baron? How you doing, brother? KP, what's good? Good morning. Good morning. What's poppin'? Chat, the month ends next week, right? So next week you've got on Wednesday, obviously the monthly candle is going to close when Wednesday's daily candle closes. Obviously the weekly will still be open, so then you're in an interesting situation, obviously, where you've got a weekly candle still open but the monthly closed. And yeah, the interesting thing is, or not the interesting thing, but the question, I guess, on everyone's mind is, does this monthly come and flip? What do you think? Let me do a little poll here. It's interesting to see whether it will flip or not. Wow, look at that 30-minute candle. Insane. So you did end up flipping on the 30. The 1 hour is going to close, to be honest, relatively weak bullish. Top wick first. This is what you call the barcode strat right here. You got... in about an hour's time, you'll be able to scan this as a barcode, right? And then it's going to give you... what's the product it's going to be? You scan this and it turns out to be... I don't know. Can't think of anything. Poor execution there, chat. See you ignore my comment. Bro, I ignore your comments because... Read your own comments, bro, and then wonder why I ignore them. Meal deal at Tesco. Tren. Yeah, Tren. Or meal deal at Tesco. Bro, I used to live off of Tesco meal deals, I can't lie. Crypto Maniacs pulled out the fast gate digger. Insane. Insane. Fuck. Bro even knows the local slang. I guess it's not local, but you know what I mean. Imagine it flips on Wednesday on FOMC in the last hour. Oh shit, yeah, that is true. Oh my days, that's like a, I don't know. That's scripted. Yeah, so chat, next week you have FOMC, right? On Wednesday. Obviously the last day of the month, right, as always. But you might end up seeing that monthly flip. So next week you have nothing on Monday, but on Tuesday you have consumer confidence and job openings. And then on Wednesday you have like an ungodly day of news, right? You just have so much news. 150. This might be a no trade afternoon, bro. You might have you have ADP, so like non-farm employment change. Is that an FP? I don't know. Anyway, after that you have employment cost index. Then after that you have home sales at 3. Then at 7 you have FOMC. Bro, that's literally like, you have 3 major red folders. Sorry, 4 major red folders all in one afternoon, and they're all spaced apart. So you got like 1:15, 1:30, 3 p.m. and then 7 p.m. as well. That's so much news. And yeah, that's the last day of the month too, so you might see us just absolutely wootum down, just absolutely ripped down. Dude, I'm taking Wednesday off after I saw the news. Gonna chill at home and make some popcorn. Yeah, 100%, bro. That's crazy. Do you think gold will make a new top wick next month? Oh, a new top? Do you mean like a new all-time high? I don't know, bro. I think if we wanted to do that, you need to come down first, at least. I don't think we can keep just pushing up without... Look at all the previous monthlies, bro. What the hell? Every single monthly previously has got no bottom wick, really. I mean, in comparison. You've not grabbed any liquidity really here. You did a little bit here, but you did that afterwards. And here too. So, yeah, man. Yeah, it can be chalk for London session, but it's great not having to trade around news. Yeah, that's why I love London session, to be honest. Like, the PA is a little bit chalked at the minute, but it isn't always chalked, right? It's just a little bit of a down spell that we're having at the moment. But yeah, it's not always chalked, and yeah, exactly that, right? You don't have to worry about shit. Is news going to come out? Is news going to do this to us? What's news going to do? You know. So, chat, the 1 hour closed and it came up top wick first. You're going to tap into this level here at around sort of 2374-ish. What you want to see is you want to see it tap this level and reject, start to flip, and then, you know, obviously begin to close bearish. But until it does that, like we said, there's not much I can do. There's no buys for me just yet. Until the 4 hour close. Obviously, if the 4 hour close is where it is now, you might be okay to take some buys to come up and fill this range. We'll have to wait and see how that forms. But until then, bro, yeah, there's not much. See the Bix. No shot. He's got the Weetabix again, bro. No shot. Chat. Been pumping out a lot of clips on Instagram as well too. Been pumping out like all of these, not motivational, but more educational trading clips. So make sure you don't miss them. They're actually, yeah, they're killing it right now. I can't lie. Every time Spion clips something, I get them edited up by my editor. We stick them on the Instagram, right? So it's basically just super valuable. And yeah, not something you need to miss, to be honest. Just little snippets of information here and there. I find London structure better and respected more. It's been slow for a minute, but the setups have been AAA when on offer. Most times the setups for the day. Yeah, bro. Nah, 100%. I think London structure is great, and when it forms, it's incredible. But sometimes you just have sometimes it just slows down quite a bit. Then it moves sort of. I mean, look, this is the last London session here, right? Let me get this indicator back up again. What was it called? Market sessions. Yeah, this one. Right, if you look at the previous London session, I mean, technically, I would say, yeah, I guess this London moved a little bit, to be honest. Today's London has moved approximately 60 pips, which is not too bad, but again, no setups. Yeah, London hasn't actually been too bad, thinking about it. Yeah, I've actually driven, but you've driven more at like 10, 11, 12-ish than you do it in like the early morning part. I'm not sure why that is, but there you go. Obviously, we need to start staying on a little bit longer, right? That's what that means. Very simple. Drive up, got no bottom wick. Drawdown, got no top wick. That is the market. Yeah, not always, bro. But yeah, I mean, yeah. On the higher time frames, especially like the monthly, I guess it doesn't need to grab too much of a like bottom wick, but yeah, it's still interesting. Cool. Nice. Sorry, Shay, I had to listen to a voice note just there from an editor. It's quite urgent. But Well, he said it was urgent. Yeah, man. What are you guys training today? It's Friday. I'm interested. Do you guys train on a Friday? Do you take a rest day on a Friday? What do you do? Friday for me is a big leg day. Monday and Friday is legs. So we start the week off and end the week off with legs, which is good for the discipline, I guess, right? Good for that discipline. You want to see you want to challenge yourself as much as possible, and what we do, I suppose. Because obviously on a Monday, you're like, oh fuck, it's the start of the week. I don't want to train legs. But then when you do it, you're like, you should basically do the stuff that you don't want to do because of that reason, right? Once you start to do the stuff that you don't want to do just because you don't want to do it, that's when you know you're really like, you know, really locking in that discipline, let's say. Forget about yesterday, live for today, pray for tomorrow. Yes, sir, that's about it. That's about it, Seska. Good wisdom there, my friend. In some GJ buys at the moment, only risking 0.5% because of the news today. Good stuff, Yanga. Good stuff. Maybe 2366 is the liquidity. Market just slowly pushing up. Yeah. To be honest, I think you need to, yeah, you need to come down either way, right? You want to see, obviously, the daily flip. I don't think we've grabbed enough liquidity, to be honest, if we were to just rip back up here. However, you have sort of tapped into some areas that you might have needed to tap into. But, you know, at the same point, I don't think we've grabbed enough liquidity for us to rip all the way back up just yet. Leg day is useless. Just do upper body, and the weight gain makes your legs carry more. Yeah, I wish that was how it worked. I wish, bro. Especially when you got long legs like me, you can't not train it. You cannot not train it because then you look like an idiot, bro. Like, yeah, you really start to look stupid at that point. Having like a big upper body and skinny legs. Like, there's some people in the gym that you see and they're like, oh, you know, they got like a massive upper body. But then, yeah, chicken legs, and it just looks stupid, bro. Can't lie. Done legs Wednesday, not good. Bro, legs is fun now. I'm a bit addicted to legs. I can't lie. I keep training them. Train them more than anything else at the minute. I'm seeing, like, you start to see them actually grow once you train them, and you're like, oh shit, okay. But yeah, yesterday has a big push done. I assume it will need a top tapping 88. Yeah, very true. But then again, like, you don't always see gold consolidate after a big push. Like, for example, here you just see it continue. Sometimes, yeah, it will. Sometimes it will just continue to rip, right? Actually, yeah, to be honest though, more of the time when it does continue to rip, it's in a bullish direction, obviously with the higher time frame sort of macroeconomic trend, right? But doesn't mean it can't just do the same today. You're seeing this 1 hour flip here too. You got a 15-minute closure in a minute as well. Now, if you can start to close bearish on this 15, next 15 rips down, closes below. Obviously on the 30 the level's a little bit different, but yeah, we'll see. I think the Jawns can squat more than me. Uh-oh. The squat PR Wednesday, couldn't walk afterwards. What's your squat PR, Neo? The squat PR. What's good, Matt? Morning chat. Happy Friday, guys. Yeah, happy Friday, bro. How you doing? Hopefully all is well. Neo got a 245, I saw. Oh, crazy. Crazy. Kilograms, yeah, of course. Good morning, G. I wish you, your every viewer, every student who learns from you all the best. Guys, best of luck. And G, how many teeth a goat has? Original goat, not a goat trader like yourself. Crazy. I don't know how many teeth a goat has, bro. But thank you for your positivity, Creed. What's good? I don't know. Let me guess. A goat has 60 teeth. I don't know. What's good, Jar? Good morning, bro. Good morning, good morning. Yeah, man. Oh, so give me an answer now. What's up, Fazo? How you doing, brother? How have you been, my friend? Answer without Google, G. I said 60. Now let's Google it. $32. Fuck. Wait, what? Oh, that's shit. I was up by 100%, I can't lie. I'm gonna report this poll. Don't report this poll. We're trying to avoid being reported. We've already got a shadow ban, I don't need a second one. Bosh. Yeah, drop a like, man. I appreciate all of you very, very much. Yeah, bro. Can't believe what Mark said. Bro, I feel like Mark's the one who got us that shadow ban. I'm pretty certain, by the way, Mark's the one that got us a shadow ban. So we need to... I think that actually must be what it was, you know. I was thinking about this the other day, and I just remember what he said, and I was like, that's gotta be it, bro. This fucking guy, man. I'm gonna have to fly to Athens and knock him out. Joking. You got 140 times 8. That's good, Neo. That's good, man. Good morning, chat. How's chart going? Good, brother. We're just waiting for some volume to pick up here. There's not much volume at the moment. We need some closures outside the range as well. And until then, yeah, we're gonna have to wait. But going good, brother. Staying disciplined. Shadow pattern for drinking blended tuna. Not quite, bro. He said a very different word. A very not good word. Let's say that. I don't know. I can't really say much else, to be honest. Probably the worst word. Yeah, man. What's good, Bradley? How you doing? W stream. I appreciate you, bro. Appreciate that, brother. Yeah, man. What's good? Yeah, get it, Mark, bro. I can't believe it. I figured that's what it was as well, because I think the shadow ban came at around the same time. Like the worst word. Yeah. Is your free trading course videos now completed? What's good, Goat now though? That's a crazy name, by the way. Nah, it's not, bro. I need to create some more. I'll film some more over the weekend, actually. It's not completed at all. But that's a good point, actually. What do you guys want to see for the rest of the course? What would you like to see? Sue. Me and Neo just secured 17 pips and closed 75% and left the runner. Big up the SG Discord. Hey, let's go, bro. Good shit. Good shit, Michael and Neo. What's good, La Leche? Maybe today we have to wait for New York session like yesterday. Yeah, potentially. Potentially. Go now, though. Everyone knows Messi and Trendlines are the real guys. I appreciate you, bro. And yeah, I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna have to agree with you on that one. Messi's gonna have to take the GOAT status. Mark equals Floop, bro. Not the floop allegations again, man. Not floop yet again. Bro, chat, surely floop was a lock yesterday. I don't know how it wasn't floop. I can't lie. Next play, the flute play. Yeah, maybe. Maybe. Yo, chat, I'm gonna take a flute here. I don't know. Does that sound wrong? I think that might sound like an innuendo. I can't lie. Taking a flute. I don't know, man. I don't know if that's the one. Maybe like one on how to master your psychology, and you're giving advice on how to do it. Yeah, that's a good point. Spion. That's a good one. I'm gonna do some more technical stuff too, but yeah, that's a good one too. Do you mainly trade the 1 hour and 30 minutes? Do you ever use the 5 minute? Interesting question, brother. We use sort of the 15, 30 and 1 mainly, but as the people in the coaching group will know, I've started working on a play based off of the 5 minute as well. Well, it's kind of a combination, but yeah, it uses the 5 for entries, and yeah, that'll be coming soon once I get enough data on it, but it should be good. Should be good. Have you taken any trades yet? Not yet, Rosie. No, I'm gonna wait for this next closure to see. But again, there's not really been any entries just as of yet. There was nothing on this hourly open, nothing on the previous hourly open, absolutely nothing so far. So, yeah, it's just about patience right now. 30-minute floop. Crazy. Insane, bro. Bro, that actually killed me yesterday, I can't lie. I was laughing for so long after that. Bro said I was sure it was floop. Yeah, me too, man. Me too. But yeah, listen, we're adapting as the market moves, right? As we, as the market starts to change and as you start to see more things being printed, we can start to understand the market better. That's why we're introducing new plays, looking at sample size and new stuff, and working on different things. Wait, that's mad, bro. You just said, how do you manage the markets changing? But I'd already started talking about that before I saw your... Bro, that's crazy. Before I saw your message. Interesting, bro. On the same wavelength or what? But yeah, you said, how do you manage the markets changing? For example, in the beginning of the year, it was primarily a lot of support and demand trades, but now it seems like it's a lot of liquidity grabs and fake outs. Yeah, again, for me, I think you have to understand... Firstly, to answer your question with the markets changing, you have to just, continuously adapt. You have to see what's happening and what's not happening. And like you said, if you start to see more fake outs, you need to start to anticipate more fake outs. And if you start to see, pushes without top wicks, and you need to find a way to adapt to that. You just need to sort of be, conspicuous, and, you need to be perspicacious. Basically, just keep looking at what you see, keep observing, trying to actually think about what's happening rather than just watching it. And then when you see those changes happen, you're good. You're good to go, and you can adapt to that as you see it. But yeah, in terms of like fake outs and all that stuff, I think avoiding fake outs, etc., you need higher time frame confirmation. You need to understand the daily bias, and you need to understand overall direction too. We were talking yesterday in the Discord group calls about how, regardless of the daily bias, right, your daily bias could be bullish, but if you start to see the market doing this, right, where you're literally just printing market structure, bearish market structure, right, lower lows, lower highs, etc., you're not going to want to take buys at this point, right? And that's why we sort of understand that, you know, you have to just sort of be aware of the overall general direction. And that's how you can avoid fakeouts, to be honest. By essentially not trying to take buys at the bottom of a range when you're, you know, when you're still trending bearish. But that's what I'd say, to be honest. What you just call me? Crazy. On it. Bro, I might have to change that from spee on clip that shit to just clip that shit, because that, bro, I don't want to overwork this guy. Hey SG, can I have your thoughts on this? I had a support on the 1 hour at 69.83. ATM London opened nicely up with no bottom wick, entered, then it reverses to make a larger top wick. Was that a bad trade? You had a support on the 1 hour at 69.8. So pretty much the same. London candle opened at 8 AM with no bottom wick. Oh, so you had a closure below here. Yeah, for what? No. I don't understand. The AM candle opened up nicely with no bottom wick. It came up first. Did you enter sells or what? Or buys? Because if your support was here, right? Your support was right here. That's 69.8, okay. A little bit higher. Entered sales, okay. Did you, what, were you calling this a sell below? Close below? Yeah, it's too close, bro. Like, yeah, technically, I guess it closed below, but then, like, you've basically made support here, and I wouldn't call that a close below, to be honest. Like, if you drop to the 30, I guess maybe, bro, but I think you need to close a lot, like, more convincingly below for that to be the case. Yeah, that's what I'd say, to be honest, brother. Because also, like, my levels here is 60. Where was my level? Wait, push it down a little bit further. I think we looked here and we saw that there was sort of 69.3. There's a level, a minor level. And then, yeah, it just gets a little bit difficult when you get around this point. I would have said, I would have waited for a clean closure below, like something more strongly below than just, you know, like 1 or 2 pips below. That's what I'd say. I don't think it was necessarily a bad trade, brother. I think it's just, yeah, maybe that was it. But yeah, don't worry about it, honestly. I wouldn't stress. What's up, Zare? How you doing? What's good, Zatar? What's good? What's good? Chat, drop a like if you haven't already, man. This 30 is about to close. There's a 4-hour coming in about 32 minutes here. Hopefully we can take advantage of something, but you see you've flipped up here quite strongly. Yeah. You might actually end up filling the range before that 4-hour close. And if you do start to close above, then yeah, you can look to take some buys potentially. But again, we're going to need more confirmation for that. You're going to need at least a closure above 23.70, I would say. At least. Good chat. What should I eat for breakfast after stream before I go to the gym? I've been training fasted recently, and I think it's good, but I'm hungry. I can't lie. Seven eggs and 1 bean. 1 bean is crazy. Ah. Cool. Bro, what? Some oats and fruit gets a crazy pump. That might be the shout, actually. Bro, someone told me at the gym yesterday that if you put baking soda in your pre-workout, you get like the craziest pump ever. Apparently it's true. I looked it up. Apparently, like, it's something to do with the nitrogen it puts into your blood, or I don't know, something like that. But yeah. 2 bananas. Because monkeys don't cramp. Have you seen that? Have you seen that video of this like Japanese baseball player? Bro, that's so funny. I thought it was just baking soda on its own acts as a pre. Yeah, I think it does. It gives you like a pump, but this guy said that like if you add it to your pre, it's like next level. So might have to try that today. I can't lie. Okay, chat. So the 30 closed bullish here, like almost doji, I'd say. You came down first to grab a bottom wick. You closed like right at level 2, so there's nothing I can take here. We just have to continue to wait. I want to see what this 4-hour does. We've been getting quite a few trades off this 4-hour close recently, so what I'll do is we'll redo an analysis closer to that time, based off of what the 4-hour is saying, and then yeah, we'll jump in the analysis for that, and then we'll wait for the closure. And once that happens, yeah, we'll be good to go. Be good to go. Whole range is a mess, but we'll see how the 4-hour closes. Yeah, it's tough here. It's a little bit tough here, I can't lie, but yeah, we'll watch what the 4 says. 100%. Cool. Are Eugene, why are you texting me, bro? Guy. Yeah, I agree. It is indeed. It is indeed, my friend. Check the 30. Yeah, I know the 30 came down, bottom wick, flipped up, but it closed doji. I just pre the 30-minute closure, brother. Don't you worry, Fazo. I'm on the ball. Don't you stress about that. Hey mate, good to be here again. Love from East Coast of Australia. Hey, let's go, Alex. Welcome back, bro. And yeah, appreciate that, brother. Love from the UK. Then check the 4-hour. What about it? What about it, brother? Whoa. Insane, chat. Shout out Nias from the Netherlands. So good we can't meet up for a round of golf. Guide. Bro, who says you can't meet up for a round of golf, man? Netherlands is not very far. Yeah, it's like a 40-minute flight, not even. Yeah, you could definitely pull up there for sure. Just for a round of golf though. Yeah, that'd make a cool video. I might do that. Shrooms is crazy. Do they have nice golf courses in the Netherlands? Anyone else get a scheduled maintenance email? From what? From who, my friend? No. Geography lesson was lit last night. Yeah, bro. Yeah, chatting the coaching call last night after we did all the trading shit, we just ended up looking at the fucking world map for about 30 minutes. I showed everyone where I went to uni as well. It's an interesting call. It was actually quite fun, I can't lie. Will be an interesting video though. Bro, I'm not doing shrooms. Firstly, I'm not doing shrooms. Secondly, I'm not doing shrooms on camera. And to locate Remy. Yeah, Eugene, you gotta go and you gotta go and just like walk about asking if people is Remy. Just go like, I don't know. All we know. Actually, I don't want to say anything he doesn't want to know, but just go to our office somewhere near you, innit? And just go and say, yeah, does Remy work here? And if they're like, what? You'd be like, all right, okay. Funny thing is, that's definitely not his government name either, so like, you just got no chance. Imagine if we walked past and I've had no idea. Imagine if you know each other. Might be colleagues. Sure ain't. Yeah, bro, I knew it. That'd be cool though, I can't lie. You've been named after the mouse from Ratatouille. Decent name. Chat, so the 1 hour flipped here. Starting to push down. Can you see the 4 hour flip, sorry? Close below. That would be very, very nice. Well, SG, hear me out. Shrooms could make you a better trader. They could, bro. I'm not gonna lie, they could. Isn't it? Who is it that does that? Is it Justin Wieland? He's a sick trader as well. I don't know if he did shrooms or acid or something, but... Is it Justin Wieland? I might be wrong. Don't quote me. Oh, I don't know if it is this guy, actually. There is a trader who was talking about how shrooms helped his trading. But I don't know. Staying patient as always. Respect from Ghana. Let's go, Joe. Good shit. Good shit, man. Yeah, chat, we got people from everywhere out here, man. Got people from everywhere. I'd love to see it, man. We're actually a worldwide community. It's huge. Check TTE as I don't like the other. Thank you. Insane. They rewire your brain so you can think differently. You think about such see things from a different angle or more deeply. Yeah, no, I hear that. I hear that. Romania, brother. Nice, bro. That's sick. I want to come to Romania one time. Dodge Hellcat just flew past me. He burst my eardrums. Yeah, I hear that, bro. They're meant to be super loud. Morning, brother. Community getting bigger and better. Yes, good shit, Dion. Good morning. Hopefully all is well. Yeah, bro. I'm driving, by the way. No chat and drive. No trend lines and drive, my friend. Streams on commute. Nah, I like that, to be fair. Good shit. Probably do the same, I can't lie. What car do you own, bro? Why do you want to know that? Nah, I'm playing. I own the one that you saw on Instagram or on YouTube in the video. Right? That's one. This one. Manchester Trapper, bro. You can use it for... Nah, I hear that, bro. Don't worry. And then... Bro, the other one's just a little dinger, bro. Because I'm moving country, so what's the point in buying a new car? Yeah, I'm not... I was thinking about buying a new car recently, but then I just thought I'm going to move in like 4 months, probably. So why would I... There's no time to buy it. There's no point, like, you know, buying a new car. It's just a waste of money. Especially because it's just going to depreciate instantly. My grandpa also has that car, no joke. Crazy, bro. Good shit. Cool car. I love this type of trading. 1, Roger Banks. 2, Sharp Trader. Now you. Hey, let's go, bro. King FX, welcome back. Welcome, brother. I'm glad you enjoy it too. That's great. It's a 500, bro. It's a 500. Luckily. Bro, there's a 700 as well, you know. There's a 7-liter version of that car. How insane is that, bro? Bro, chat, let's not talk about other traders here, man. Like, I don't care. It's not for promo reasons, but let's just stay in our own lane. Like, realistically, it doesn't matter who's better out of someone than someone else. There's no like competition. Just all about, you know, who does well and who does, I suppose, who provides value, I guess. And both of those traders that you mentioned provide value, so yeah, man. Simeon, welcome. Hello, brother. How are you? Hello. Where are you gonna live? Undecided as of yet. Undecided. Chat, this 30 is looking to flip here. You might see a push as this 30 flips, but you've only got 15 minutes here to this close. So the 4-hour close, right? And I'm not really looking to take that take a trade just before the 4-hour close. There's too many variables when you take a position close to that 4-hour close. There's so many things that could happen, so many things that could influence your trade that you can't control, and that's why you sort of stay out around that 4-hour close. Come to South Africa, bro. Yeah, no, I want to. I can't lie. That's one of the options. Cape Town is one of the options. I can't lie. What's good though, Patrick? No competition, money enough for all of us. Yeah, definitely, 100%. Move into a yacht. Yeah, I might just move to international waters, bro. That I'm not governed by anyone. Bro, I wonder if someone's done that. Someone must have done that. Some like next big mafia oligarch criminal or some shit. It's definitely just permanently moved into international waters on the biggest boat ever. So they can't get caught by, like, I don't know, the feds. Some shit like that. I just wanted to ask you, do you know any funded accounts that work in the Balkans? Yeah, Simeon, I got you, bro. So you got, the first one is Funded Trading Plus, and the second one is ACG. I just sent 2 of those links down below, so you got them both there, ACG and Funded Trading Plus. They both work in the Balkans, as I'm aware. Code SG as well gets you 20% off on both of those. So make sure you yeah, save yourself some money and use one of them. You change your channel name to Pirate Trading. Yeah, bro. I'll go move on some big wooden pirate ship, but make sure it has Starlink on it, and then yeah, easy. Easy dubs. When will you announce the giveaway winners? Oh yeah, so chat, also the Greece video as well that's coming out. I don't know if it's going to come out today or over the weekend, because I had to send it back to the editor. There was a few issues with the color and everything, and I wasn't like, it wasn't perfect. But maybe that'll be out today. If not, it'll be out on the weekend. But there's also going to be another giveaway in there. So what I'm going to do is I'll probably give away the Arctic funding giveaway on Monday next stream, and then the Greece one, which I believe is going to be a funded trading plus two. I think I'm going to give away 2 accounts on that one. I can't remember what I said, but it's definitely a bigger giveaway. I think that'll be on Friday. So you guys are going to basically have the opportunity to win 3 funded accounts next week, which is crazy. Absolutely insane. So yeah, make sure you're subbed and don't miss the video. Don't miss out on those videos so you can grab that giveaway. Have you ever been to the US? I currently live in Arizona. But no, I haven't. I kind of want to go though. Kind of want to go. Arctic, by the way, super impressed with their service. Hey, let's go, Matt. Yeah, I'm glad. Bro, I like their service too. I can't lie. They do very well. I don't need 3. Give me half. Half of one funded account. You're gonna share it with someone. La Leche, I use my own capital mostly. Joshua, what's good, brother? How you doing? Yeah, I'm chilling, bro. How are you? Yeah, Arizona, bro. I don't know. I haven't really heard much about it, but I definitely want to go to the US at some point. All I know is Arizona Cardinals. About it. Chat, you got 13 minutes here. So the 30-minute candle started to push up, as we saw. How could you miss my comment, my G? Right, my bad. I get bear comments. Yeah, give me a spread positivity. You do. But it has to be random, to be fair, unfortunately. If I could give them to certain people... Actually, no, I still wouldn't do that, because there's not enough people to give it to. Creed deserves it. Yeah, a lot of people deserve it, to be fair. But the thing is, like... Yeah. All there is to Arizona is just hot as fuck most of the year. 115 degrees for like 70% of the year. That's crazy. How much is 115 degrees in Celsius? 46 degrees Celsius, bro. What? That's ridiculously hot. I reckon you'll just give us all one each. Yeah, true. Bro, if I could, I promise you I would. One day, I promise. But yeah. If I could, honestly, I would. Give it to someone who actually can't afford it. Yeah, but bro, how do I check that? Like, am I gonna have to check their bank account before I give it to them or some shit? At which point do you think it's a good time to start trading with funded account from Funded Trading Plus or others? I would say you need to open a small live account with like £100 in it, $100 or $500 or $1,000, whatever it is, right? Then you need to trade that for 3 to 6 months, right? And journal every single trade. So the first 3 months, you journal every trade, obviously. After 3 months, check whether or not you're profitable over those 3 months. Check what's going wrong, what you're doing right, what's wrong, etc. And then after another 3 months, you keep refining your strategy every single week, I'd say. You know, just keep checking your journal, keep doing it. And then after that, once you've shown 6 months of consistent profitability, get yourself a funded account, and then try, like, you know, just do the same thing that you did on the live account but on the funded. That's literally it. Got bank statements for the day that shows you minus 20 pips. Ah, bro, that's tough. That's tough. Okay, chat. So we've got 10 minutes left to this 4-hour close, right? 10 minutes. Let's see. Let me do a little 4-hour breakdown just now. So on the 4-hour, obviously we've started to reject here. You started to form some structure and then reject, and you did a similar thing down here, right? You had a similar sort of tap into around these areas here at 2350-ish, and then you started to push up from there. You did a similar thing as well around this point here at 2353. You tapped into. So yeah, you've rejected here numerous times, right? And I would say you probably actually have a level here, right? And I don't know if you tapped into that and rejected. Yeah, you sort of did. Okay, great. Now obviously we need to see where the 4-hour ranges are. So you've got a range probably between 2367, no wait, higher, 2369.5 is the bottom of your range. Yeah, that's perfect. Look at that. Once you close above there, I'd say, well, to be honest, the overall range would be all the way up to 97, but that's a bit ambitious. So what we'll do is we'll probably push that down to 2386. And that's a huge range, obviously, but at the same point, every time you start to close above here on the 4, you do actually push up to 2386 without fail every single time. So can we look to take advantage of that? Potentially. Question is, how do we take advantage of it there? So what we need to do is we need to drop down to the 1 hour, and we need to see where that most recent 1 hour resistance is, and it's at 2374, right? That's our most recent resistance. Even though the 4 hour is very, very, you know, it's not very strong, but it's closing relatively strongly. I would say you probably need to still close above on the hourly, because you don't want to just get ping-ponged in this range here. But all we know, right, you could just start to reject here, and even though the 4 did come up most times, I don't think you can probably take that just based off the 4. Yeah, I don't think you can do that. So we need a stronger closure, essentially, is what I'm trying to say in a more convoluted way. We need to close above at least 2374, in my opinion. Let's take some boys. Crazy. Boys, I meant buyers. Love a good tax rebate. Oh, I got a tax rebate as well the other day. That was super nice. Got a nice little... That was from last year though. That was from like when I was working in the office. So it wasn't that big. It was like I think it was like 950 or something. But still a decent tax rebate. Or 850 maybe. I can't remember. But still, you don't mind a tax rebate. How many boys are you talking? Yeah, that's a good question. Yeah, chat, the thing is, right, let's go back to our original markings too. I want to show you these. Spam the fucking Control Z button real quick. There you are, we're back. So yeah, the thing is now, chat, you're somewhat in the range, obviously, right? You have some structure being formed here on the 1 hour. 4 hours should have room to push up to 84. But the 1 hour's closing right at minor resistance. So if it does close right here, I think the only thing I have to do is call it, to be honest. My pal says boys like money. You owe me 20 boys. That's crazy. That's crazy. That's a bit suspect, I can't lie. 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 I can Looking for boys only today. Crazy. I need to stop reading these out. It's gonna get clipped. I've been waiting to ask you this for a while, but what do you think of dividends? I personally think it's a scam. Why would it be a scam? You mean like dividend stocks? Oh, live on a watch list. Yeah, trust me. I can't read this stuff out. I can't lie. What's good, Chief Keith? How's it going, brother? You don't clip him saying he's only looking for boys. Nah. Go viral. Uh-oh. Game over, chat. I bought digital gold and it's in my locker. Nice, bro. Why digital? Would a 1 hour close above minor resistance and then seeing the next 1 hour break the previous lows be valid for buyers? Yeah, if this 1 hour did close above 2374.3, right? Or 0.2, which is only 10 pips away. If you did close above there, then yeah, you could probably take buys to continue up. Especially because of the way the 4 hour looks. It's just... yeah. It's just a little bit tough at the minute because I feel like you probably would be okay. You'd need to have stops probably below either the... probably below the previous 4 hour for that to be valid for me. Which obviously... it's not something I want to take, right? It's not something I want to take. So, that's why I want to wait for this closure above if we do get that. But... because if you did that, then if you closed above 2374, you could have your stops below at least that most recent range, or even the 1 hour, to be honest. Good morning, Chief Keith. What's good, brother? Well, I almost had you reading it again. I know, bro. I know. I caught it, though. I caught it. I can't lie. Most dividend payouts are about 1% per quarter. That's 4% a year. That's absolutely nuts. You're better off putting that in MT5. Nah, bro, because you got to think about it. It's a different level. When you're in, like, investing into dividend stocks, firstly, a lot of stocks pay higher dividends, but secondly, that's investing. That's not trading, right? It's not a scam, but you need a lot of capital. Yeah, of course. So let's think about this, right? Like the S&P does 8% a year. You find a couple of stocks that you like. Let's say, I don't know, the main dividend stocks I think about are like Coca-Cola. There's quite a few actually that pay really nice dividends. Anyway, Coca-Cola hasn't missed a dividend payment in like 50, 60 years or something like that. It's insane. Yeah, IBM. That stock's also going to grow too, but then you also get dividend payments. So it's not like you're just getting the 4% a year. You're also getting the what's it called? Like the growth, essentially. The compound interest or the compound growth, let's call it that. Capital gains. So yeah, it's not just about that. It's about sort of the growth as well as the dividends. And obviously, if you've got 10 milli in your stock portfolio, or 100 milli, but let's go with 10. That 1% a year, that 1% a quarter is a nice 100k a quarter, right? So, like, you got to think about it that way. That's the level that you're playing at. Obviously, yeah, if you're sticking $100 in it and you're getting 1%, then it's probably not going to do anything. But, when most of the people investing in dividend stocks are generating income elsewhere from their business and the stocks just preserve their wealth. It's not about, most investments are not about capital generation. They're about capital preservation, right? When you get to a certain level of wealth, all you need to think about is maintaining that wealth and not losing it. Because the growth will happen itself. You don't have to worry about that, but you don't want to, basically just be a victim of inflation. Allianz gives 5%. Yeah, Volkswagen too. I got a dip, bro. In a bit, Jar. Yeah, peace out, bro. Peace out, brother. Didn't Buffett make more with his dividends from Coca-Cola than the CEO? Yeah, of course. Of course he did. Because he was, I'm pretty sure he was one of the majority shareholders. or he might be the majority shareholder. I can't remember. But yeah, the CEOs aren't the ones who make money in the companies. The CEOs are just employees. Obviously, they're highly paid employees, and a lot of the times with companies like Amazon and, or you know, Twitter, Tesla, etc., the CEO is also the owner, the majority owner, majority shareholder, right? But that's how they make their money. But the CEO, if you're just a CEO without big, you know, without your own equity share in the company, then yeah, you don't make as much as the investors. Me personally, I take the dividend payment from your Signal group through a milli in there and connect it to a bot. Yeah, true. Have some ginseng coffee, G. That's good for your health. You seem too tired. I'm not tired, bro, at all. I haven't even really yawned today. I yawned like once. Now I'm about to yawn as well because you just told me I'm tired. Yeah, sorry, the 4 hour closed here, right? The 4 hour closed below the level. You are coming down bottom wick first, but you did actually reject too. So let's see what happens here. Let's see how we open up, how we, you know, start forming this structure. 13 pips to that level. Let's see, chat. If you come down far enough and grab a bottom wick, we might be able to grab some buys here. But you have to come down quite far. The 4 hour should be good to fill the range. It's just, yeah. See if we can take advantage of this. The wick feels like 13 pips. Let me load up this broker. Whoa. Cool. We're back. So, let's take a look here. How far did you come down? You came down like 7 pips or something so far, right? Yeah, like 7 pips. That's not far enough, obviously, just yet. Range is just a little bit choppy, I can't lie. You gonna flip here? Came very close to a flip just then. Yeah, obviously if we flip here, I can't take this, right? It's got not really a big bottom wick for a 4 hour. And also, yeah, I'm just not a big fan of the area that it's at. So if you do flip, I can't look to take that. You know it's getting serious when you hear MT5 open. Yeah, trust me. You should grow a beard. I just shaved yesterday, bro. You look like Bazinga from Sidemen, bro. What are you on about? No shot. Also, if you work for a company that has a share scheme and the shares pay dividends, it's typically a no-brainer. Yeah, true, Rodri. Now that is true. Wouldn't your 68 level serve better at 70? Yeah, potentially, but again, that doesn't matter too much at the minute. No, because our levels for sales here, so next part of the cycle, lower high. Yeah. No, I agree. Yeah, you flipped it, chat. Okay. Listen, chat, I'm gonna call it for today. I'm not gonna lie. I don't like this 4 hour here. I'd rather wait until probably pre-New York or maybe even after news, most likely. And if not, then I will be calling it, right? We had We had a great week, chat. We had an absolutely incredible week, right? 4-0 for the week. About 53 pips up or something. What did I say? Something like that. And yeah, that's it, man. We don't want to take anything that you know that you're not 100% certain on. And yeah, that's gonna be it. Let me do this quickly for you, Zatar. Can you review USD JPY? Chat, if you are gonna leave, by the way, before we play the game, make sure you drop a like on the way out and subscribe if you are new. We appreciate you all very, very much. We've been killing it recently as a community. It's only ever growing. We're close to 4K subs right now, which is sick. And yeah, that's it, man. 154 level to continue downtrend. Yeah, maybe, bro. But I can't review this. I'm sorry. I don't know enough about the pair. But you're in a fat downtrend. Although you did start to break your lows, so I don't know. But I can't review that, brother. I think you probably, yeah. I clicked on the stream because there were 68 viewers and I want to be 69. What's good, XYZ? What's good? Have a good day, man. Chat. Wait, Zatar, send me your analysis into the Discord group and I'll check it out for you after stream. But I need to do this little sign off here. Send me that analysis into the Discord and I'll take a look for you. Don't worry. Everyone enjoy your weekend. W stream, big W chat, big W SG. Love to you all. I'm out. Yeah, in a bit, Michael. Peace out. Much love to all of you, chat. Much love. Yeah, so chat, listen, let's play Pixel Letters for the last time this week. And then we'll call it. But yeah, as we said, right? Absolutely W stream. I can't lie. It was a really, really good stream. Good week as well. We took, what, yeah, 4 wins. Can't complain, right? Cannot complain. So let's see. Let's go back here. Now is the most important part of the day, man. You guys got to help me out here. Let me turn the overlay off. W chat. www. Oh, Beans clutched up a little bit. I can't lie. Bye, everyone. I'm going to enjoy my weekend golfing. Hope you all have a nice weekend. Have a good, yeah, have a good few rounds, Rosie. And see you on Monday. What's the word here, chat? Hey, XYZ, none of that. Man, I'm sure I'm going to be sad this weekend, chat. Sam was a good guy. We'll see him again someday. What do you mean, bro? What does that mean? Chunk. That's a great guess, Omar. That's a great guess. I can't lie. But it wasn't that. What do you mean he will be missed, bro? What are you talking about? Bro's making a threat on my life right now. Yeah, what's this word? You're an idiot, Joshua. Swung? It can't be a U third. Can't be a U third. Last letter's got to be like a... Bro, what the fuck is this? I can't lie. XYZ, I'd slap you up, no doubt. Yeah, someone's got to help me out on this word here. You know, XYZ. June? It can't be that, bro. I can't focus here. Sunny? Oh, funny. The old double letter got us. Matt came through with a big clutch up there, I can't lie. My brain was gone. Unfocused. Bye all, have a nice day, G. See ya. In a bit, Veen, bro. In a bit, my friend. That was clutch though. Good shit. Launched. Bro, Eugene, you just throw out words, don't you? What's your? Oh, that would have been a sick guess. Lance, yeah, it is Lance as well. Good guess, Eugene. Mr. Eugene got the word. The new one. I'm joking, I'm joking. Oh! Beans with the clutch up yet again. Oh! That's how we do it, man. That's how we end the week. Good shit, chat. You're one idiot. Alright, man. Yeah, that's gonna be it for me today. Oh no, you're ripping, man. SG, why didn't you take the buys? Why didn't you take the buys, SG? Yeah. I'm playing. Right, cool, chat. That's gonna be it from me today. Enjoy your weekend. Make sure you have a great end to the week. Finish off strong. If you're trading in New York, be careful of the news. Trade responsibly. All that good stuff. And yeah, other than that, man, have a great rest of the weekend. See you on Monday. Locked in and ready. And yeah, peace out. Bye-bye. Tunes. I'm not playing Morrison, Eugene. I'll be done. Shit, chat, I need a song. Alright, wait.